Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the scene and your hands. Steady grip matters. Once your camera is ready, place your palm 6-12 inches from the lens to provide a clear reference point. Tap into manual focus or enable tap to focus so the sensor locks where you want it to. You do this because the palm gives contrast and predictable edges for the algorithm to lock on. This speeds autofocus and prevents hunting when you switch to the actual subject. Once the palm is locked, you hold steady until the camera confirms focus. Listen or watch the indicator. Then, make a smooth, controlled motion to slide your palm out of frame while keeping exposure and composition steady. You recompose to the subject and avoid changing distance or angle abruptly. This preserves the focal plane. Make sure to move the palm slowly so the focus doesn't refocus on a different plane, and practice the motion once or twice to build muscle memory. You finish by previewing the shot at 100% to confirm sharpness. If it looks soft, refocus and repeat the palm method. In low light, make sure to raise ISO or use a tripod so motion and noise don't mask focus accuracy. If the autofocus hunts or locks on background, retry with a higher contrast palm, wear a glove or use a card, or switch to manual focus and set distance numerically. This troubleshooting keeps your shots reliably sharp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.